and welcome to Forest Thrills. In today's video we're here in Edinburgh and we've just had one night stay at House of Gods. So stay tuned, we're going to give you the full tour and at the end we're going to let you know exactly what we thought. So let's go guys. So as per usual guys, I'm starting off the room tour at the front door. However, this is a little different than usual. There's a massive mirror on the door. Just to the side though, we have, I'll start with that actually. This controls the aircon. You point it up to there and you can control that. But in as usual with your key card and you get power for the room. To the side, this is the controls for the underfloor heating. The guy that checked us in did say if you want the room to heat up before you coming back from wherever you might have been, make sure you turn that on in advance because it can take a little time to heat up. But I'll turn you around and give you a little overview of this room. Very dark, very mysterious, just the way we like it. That's a beautiful room, and that 4-poster bed is just stunning. I'll take you around though and give you the full tour. Okay, I'll start off at the side of the bed, just here. This was sat on the bed when we came in, that's just the instructions for the room. We have these beautiful little lamps. There's sockets and room light controls there. Now this might look like a magazine, but it's not. It's actually a menu filled with different cocktails. So if you're a fan of drinking and cocktails, then yeah, you're going to love that. But just to the side, there are some coat hangers on this little railing. Your towels are kept above, and to the side of that, there's this little vanity mirror. Cool lighting above, which is controlled by that. It says makeup. Now, it's another cool feature of this room. It's not just a mirror. You open it up and inside we've got some pods, we've got an espresso machine and some teas in there. Now, I thought that was really cool. I'll close it over. Just below there's this really nice little chair, comfy, and the design on it, again, really nice. Just to the side of that, got this. You can use it to unpack your luggage if you like to use that thing. I don't know what it's actually called. Comment down below. I've seen these in loads of hotels and I don't actually know the name of them. I just call them the luggage unpacking device, but I'm sure there's a proper name for it. In the corner as well, there's a little storage part where you can stuff your luggage. That's exactly what we've done. What else will I show you? Aha! Over here is a sort of bar area. There are drinks here, but they are not complimentary. You do need to pay for those. There's a couple of wine glasses, a couple of other glasses, and some nice artificial flowers. They do look real, and they're very pretty. The glasses of cola here actually as well, I should mention that. When you check in, you get complimentary Prosecco on arrival. We don't drink though, so we did get Diet Coke instead. So that was nice of them. This right here is your room service button, and we have a perk where you can get milk and cookies. We'll show you that later, but these buttons right here do exactly that. You just click them and they'll be right to your door. Inside this though, there is a hairdryer, there's some extra toilet roll and Bombay mix. It's not free, you do have to pay for that if you eat it as well. To the side, there's a little bin. I nearly missed this over here as well actually. This does open up, if I can get it to open, and that is your mini bar. Not complimentary either. Over here, this looks like a mirror, but it's not. it's a TV, as you can see. We've got Netflix on. In the corner of the room, we have another artificial plant, really nice. And the main feature, I was going to get round to it, don't worry, is of course the 4-poster bed. It's very comfy. We have sat on it and tried that out. Beautiful. Really, really like this. And I'll give you a little close-up of the monkeys. I know you all wanted to see them. Really, really nice. And can we just appreciate the old school vibes of the 4-poster bed. There is a window as well, but it's frosted glass. You can't actually see out of it. And you can just close the curtains with those. Just pull that, down it goes. But yeah, the 4-poster bed, really, really nice. And I don't know if you guys get the vibe, but it feels like you're in the Orient Express when you're in this hotel. We really, really like it. And just there as well, actually, you can hang anything up that you might have. Yeah, next up though, I'm going to take you into the bathroom and I'll show you in there. Stay tuned, guys. Just in here we have the bathroom, or should I say wet room, because this room is absolutely covered in these beautiful tiles. I really, really like those. And the main feature, of course, is the shower. As you can see above there, this curtain comes all the way around that rail and drains away in the floor there. The floor is heated, it also helps dry it out. There is this bath mat on this rail here. There's this little bit in the corner for any toiletries you might have. We've got our sink. I did notice you've got your cold tap there, however the hot tap does appear to be missing the part that says hot. Bit strange. But above that we've got a little shelf. There's complimentary toiletries, there's Scottish fine soaps, some luxury soap, conditioner, there is shower gel, and there's also shampoo. Got a huge mirror on the wall. And just to the side we've got a toilet. There's a bin, brush for the toilet, and there's where you flush. It's quite a small bathroom, but it's stunning. I can't get over those tiles, they look really, really nice. Oh, and before I miss it, I nearly did miss it, but there's also a couple hooks there, just on the tiles. And at the back of the door, there's another mirror. So yeah, lovely bathroom. So as I mentioned earlier, this button right here gets your room service, and if I click that, that should bring me milk and cookies. So I'm going to do that now and show you guys when they arrive at the room. And just like that, only a few moments later, we have milk and we have a giant ass hot cookie. Another one of the perks that came with this room was breakfast, hand delivered to your door. And it comes in this really cute basket, and I'll open it up and show you inside. Right, to the left here, there's 2 flasks. One has tea, one has coffee. We have bagels from Bros Bagels here in Edinburgh. We've got, in this one, fresh orange juice, and in this one, we have milk. And just here, there's some different organic tea, sugars, and a couple of little mugs. How brilliant is that? So we're going to enjoy it. I just wanted to show you another one of the cool things here at House of God. Another thing I'm going to show you guys is, I didn't notice it at first, but if you see that white strip around top of the bed frame, well, when I flick this switch, prepare for some major Austin Powers vibes. Wow. Really nice. So now that you've seen the tour, let us know down in the comments, what did you think? The question I like to ask is, was it rubbish or was it worth it? And in our opinion, this hotel is absolutely 1000% worth it. It's been great from the moment we entered to the moment we're about to leave. When you come in, the check-in is so friendly. We got shown to our room, right to the door, and we even got a full tour of the room from the guy that checked us in. Showed us all the little features, so we knew where everything was. As you've seen from the tour, there's stuff hidden in the mirror, the TV is hidden inside another mirror, and there's lots of little hidden features all around. So that was all shown to us. We got shown how everything worked. Great start. The cleanliness of the room, not a single complaint. Bathroom, spotless. Room, spotless. Now, the location, it's in the old town of Edinburgh, and that's actually my favourite part of Edinburgh. It just feels like you've took a step back in time. It's fantastic. Might not be for everyone, but for us, it's another thumbs up. And the pricing point, we got this on a really good deal. Sometimes we've seen these rooms, well, I'll start off with the room type actually. This is the classic room. They do a cabin room and they also do a suite. This is just the classic, and sometimes I've seen these rooms in busy periods for upwards of £500. That sounds scary. We seen this for £187, and that was booked through House of Gods themselves. You might have heard me mention during this tour perks. The perks with this room were the milk and cookies service, and breakfast was also included in that price. And when we arrived, you also got welcome Prosecco. Now, not everyone drinks. We don't drink. We were able to swap that out for soft drinks, Diet Coke, and you're also granted a £10 bar tab as well. So you can use the little buttons I also showed you guys, click that, or WhatsApp them, and they'll bring you whatever you choose to order. Now, when we looked at this hotel online, we've seen that a lot of the things are centred around alcohol. And originally when we first went to book this place, the first time we stayed here actually was back last October. And the thing that was putting us off was a lot of the packages were centred around alcohol. So we thought, is this place going to be worth it if you don't drink? And let me just answer that for you. It's 100% worth it. You can swap out that alcohol options for soft drinks, and the rooms themselves, they're dark, they're mysterious, they're spooky, and we just absolutely love that. That's the first thing that actually attracted us to these rooms. So don't let the alcohol selling point put you off. I fully recommend you come here and you check it out. I haven't got a single complaint. There's not a negative I can put on this hotel. The one teensy thing I'll say, the little hot thing on the tap, that's the only thing, and that is so minuscule. There's not another negative point I can make about this place. So if you can, get yourselves to Edinburgh and make sure you check it out. Before we go any further, click down below, and if you like what you've seen, click subscribe, and if you can as well, drop a little thumbs up on the video from us. From us? For us. And from us here at Forest Thrills, thank you for watching. Until next time, guys.